TronLink app download. Creating TronLink wallet is quick and simple. Download the TronLink wallet app. Create TronLink wallet. Once the application has been downloaded, you will create a new TronLink wallet. Tap on Create Wallet. Tap on I understand. Scroll down the screen. Tap on Accept. Enter wallet information. Rename your wallet. Tap the letter displayed in the wallet name. Tap the cross to erase the wallet name. Give the wallet name an arbitrary name. Enter 114 alphanumeric characters. Tap on Done. Enter a password in the Set a Password field. Passwords must be a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers and must be at least 8 characters long. Characters are required for the password. At least 1 capital letter. Small text 1 text or more. Number 1 text or more. If you enter a total of at least 8 characters, all check items will turn green. Enter the password in the Re-enter Password field. Tap on Create Wallet. Tap on Backup now. Tap on Backup. Tap on View Mnemonic. 12 English words are displayed on the screen. Please save this number and word. Tap on Already Backed Up. Enter the word 3 times. Select a word from below that is the same as the number. Tap on Complete. Tap on Confirm. Tap on Enter TronLink. Congratulations! Now your TronLink wallet is created successfully. Check the backup private key to back up your TronLink wallet. This video explains how to check the backup private key. Tap on Me. Tap on Wallet Management. Tap on Backup Private Key. Enter your password. Tap on Confirm. Tap on View Private Key. Backup private key is displayed. Tap on Copy to copy the backup private key. Tap on QR code. QR code is displayed. Tap on Cancel to return to the previous screen. Save the QR code and backup private key. Launch TronLink Wallet app. Tap on Receive. QR code and the wallet address will be displayed. Read the QR code displayed in the app of the exchange to which you want to transfer the currency. You tap on this icon and the wallet address is copied. Paste the copied wallet address into the application of the exchange to which you want to transfer the currency. If you are sending money from another exchange, please check the ERC20 and TRC20. Make sure it is TRC20. Launch TronLink Wallet app. Tap on Send. Paste the recipient's address in the Receiving Account field. Tap on this icon to open the QR code reading screen. Scan the QR code. The address has been added to Receiving Account. Tap on Next. Select the currency to be sent to token. Enter the amount to be transferred in the Amount field. Tap on Max to enter the maximum amount. Tap on Send. Tap on Confirm. Password input screen will appear. Enter your password. Tap on Done. Money was transferred. Tap on Done. How to check backup private key. Backup private key is required to move TronLink wallet to another device. Tap on Me. Tap on Wallet Management. Tap on Backup Private Key. Enter your password. Tap on Confirm. Tap on View Private Key. Backup private key is displayed. Tap on Copy to copy the backup private key. Tap on QR code. QR code is displayed. Tap on Cancel to return to the previous screen.
How to receive TronLink wallet. Prepare the device to receive TronLink wallet. Launch TronLink wallet app. Tap on the icon below.
Tap on Import Wallet. Activate the camera to read the backup private key. Tap on the icon below. Read the QR code. Backup private key has been loaded. Tap on Next Step. Enter any characters in the wallet name field. Enter your password in the Set a Password field. Enter the same password in the Re-enter Password field. Tap on Import Private Key. TronLink wallet could be moved to another device.